Pioneer 10. Launched by NASA in March of 1972, this resilient spacecraft was built to be a trailblazer for deep space exploration. It was the first mission to travel through the main asteroid belt and the first to make a direct, close-up flyby of Jupiter, sending back invaluable images of the gas giant. After its planetary encounters, the spacecraft kept hurtling outward, crossing the orbit of Neptune in 1983 and becoming the first human-made object on a trajectory to leave our solar system. Even though its power source finally faded and its last signal was received in 2003, it carries a famous golden plaque designed to communicate our existence to any extraterrestrial life it might encounter in the deep cosmic future. Pioneer 11. This sister spacecraft followed closely behind its predecessor, launching in April of 1973 to expand on the historic survey of the outer planets. While it also visited Jupiter, it used that planet's massive gravity to slingshot itself towards Saturn, becoming the very first probe to study the ringed planet up close in 1979. These perilous maneuvers mapped out a safe path for the more advanced Voyager probes that were traveling just behind it. NASA officially ended contact with the craft in 1995 when its power became too weak to transmit data, but it continues its silent, unpowered journey out into the interstellar void toward the constellation of Aquila. Voyager 2. Launched in August of 1977, this highly sophisticated robotic explorer was sent on a grand tour of the outer solar system, taking advantage of a rare alignment of the planets that occurs only once every 176 years. It achieved the unprecedented feat of visiting all 4 giant outer planets, giving humanity its very first close-up look at Uranus and Neptune. In late 2018, it officially crossed the heliopause, the boundary where the sun's solar wind meets the freezing interstellar medium. It continues to beam back precious data about this unexplored frontier, using its remaining active instruments, acting as a crucial long-distance science station for researchers on Earth, on Voyager 1. This historic spacecraft left Earth just a few weeks after its twin in September of 1977, traveling on a faster, more direct trajectory, designed to prioritize intensive studies of Jupiter and Saturn's massive moon, Titan. After a successful flyby of Titan redirected its path upward out of the plane of the planets, it pulled far ahead of all other human-made objects to become the most distant spacecraft from Earth. In August of 2012, it made history as the first machine to cross the heliopause and enter interstellar space, providing our very first direct measurements of the cosmos outside our sun's bubble. It still carries the famous golden record, a snapshot of Earth's sounds, languages, and music intended to outlast human civilization itself. New Horizons. Launched in January of 2006, this incredibly fast robotic probe was designed to explore the uncharted, freezing frontiers of the absolute edge of our solar system. It made history in 2015 by pulling off a spectacular high-speed flyby of Pluto, revealing an active ice mountain landscape that completely transformed modern planetary science. It then continued even deeper into the Kuiper Belt, visiting a primitive planetesimal named Arrokoth in 2019 to gather clues about the raw materials that built our solar system. Moving at over 30,000 miles per hour, it possesses more than enough speed to escape the sun's gravitational pull completely, ensuring it will eventually join the other 4 legendary probes as a silent ambassador in interstellar space.